not bad. It's got a crisp. Seems to be a lot more breading on this than chicken, though. And the breading doesn't taste seasoned. With all that sodium here, I can't believe it's not seasoned, guys. It's crazy. All right, let's try it in the barbecue sauce. It's supposed to be fully coated, these guys, in barbecue sauce. Maybe that's going to improve it. Yeah. That's the ticket. The barbecue sauce hides the fact that the coating is bland. The barbecue sauce is really good. Sweet and tangy. Let me get it on its own. Oh, yeah. The barbecue sauce is excellent. A little smoky.